Let's learn top 10 tallest animals. Giraffe. This is giraffe. The giraffe is the tallest animal in the world. Elephant. This is an elephant. The elephant is big and tall. Ostrich. This is an ostrich. The ostrich is the tallest bird. It cannot fly, but it can run very fast. Camel. This is camel. The camel is tall and has a hump on its back. Moose. This is a moose. The moose is a big deer with huge antlers. Brown bear. This is brown bear. The brown bear is very strong and tall when it stands on two legs. Horse. This is horse. Horses are tall and run very fast. Kangaroo. This is kangaroo. The kangaroo is a tall animal that jumps with its strong legs. Bison. This is bison. The bison is big and tall with a strong body and thick fur. Thanks for watching.